Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of Theta network. What's the price change goes in Theta network, what's the high price, what's the current change occur in Theta network, and what is the current status of Theta coin in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications friends. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction, that is the current change occur on Theta coin. You are watching now live friends. The change occur in Theta coin as positive 0.15%, absolutely good change occur in Theta coin, and the high price of Theta coin is about $12.31 is the high price of Theta coin in the last 1 hour friends. If we look the price chart of the Theta coin, so absolutely as you can see here at this time they are moving upward, as you can see this time now in the moving upward at this time. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions, what the change goes in the last 1 day. Oh my goodness, what's this? As you can see here, the falling occurs in the Theta coin in the previous last 1 day, and they again try for a jump, but now again fall down, and I think now at this time they are again jumping upwards, so don't worry, soon the change is positive. The change occurred in the last 1 day, and the Theta coin is negative 3.04%, and the high price is approximately about $13, 12.98, and 12.98 is my suggestion. They hit $14 after 16 April. Wait for it, friends. Wait for it. So my suggestion for all of Theta coin according to the price prediction of last 1 day, last 1 hour, as you can see. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Theta coin with the last of this month, because the big explosions occurs in the Theta coin are coming soon after 13 April. So wait for it. They can hit $14 easily after 16 April. So please wait for it, and please hold your Theta coin. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research, and that's only my suggestion. I'm only suggest for you. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Your opinion is very important for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos notifications.